And the open mic continues with Jeremiah. Good to see you, buddy. There you go.
There were two sisters came walking down the stream. Oh, the wind and rain. The one behind pushed the other one in, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Johnny gave the youngest a gay gold ring. Oh, the wind and rain. Didn't give the oldest one anything, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. So she pushed her into the river to drown. Oh, the wind and rain. And watched her as she floated down, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. She floated till she came to a miller's pond. Oh, the wind and rain. Crying, Father, oh, Father, there swims a swamp. Crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Miller pulled her out with his fishing hook. Oh, the wind and rain. And pushed that fair maid from the brook, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain.